Boy, I can't believe I got the last of this wolf ammo right here. Now I just gotta store this in my locker and, oh no, not you. Listen, buddy, I don't want any trouble here, all right? Just get your freaking Russia ass out of here, all right? Huh, you really want this, huh? You really want this, don't ya? No, stand back! Stand back! No! No! No!